Ed Martinez. This is Poughkeepsie, New York, and almost 4 years in this house. Yeah, there was 2 events with heavy rain after heavy snow that flooded the basement. Flood meaning 4 or 5 inches. I mean, a lot of vacuuming of the water, etc.
After 3 or 4 hours?
3 or 4 hours.
Vacuuming with wet back.
Yeah,
So,
and after the last one, we had enough.
it's drier down here, but again, that's in part, large parts of this new basement dehumidifier. The energy usage for the old dehumidifiers is dramatically lower.
Also a little bit less cold.
Yes.
A little less. When it's really bad out, it's not that bad in here anymore.
Yeah, and it's also it's not drafty. Actually, it's not. There was always a little draft, but I guess between all the lining on all the walls has pretty much cut that out, or dramatically reduced it.
I think it exceeded our expectations.
I think so too. Yeah, it's a lot more complete finish than I expected. I imagined. I'd never seen this work done before anywhere, and so it's a neat job. It's a complete job.
It's refined. It has a level of refinement to it. The digging up the entire basement floor is very disruptive, and they managed to, best they could, keep the dust, dirt down. And they finished the job a day early. You really can action one. Don't let it get to the stage where you're putting your stuff on the lawn again. Just go ahead and get it done. It's worth it.
And have some reassurance. I think that you guys know what you're doing. It's a good product. It's well done. It's really fast. And,
the workforce is professional. There was no bad behavior, nothing like that. It was you really didn't, apart from the jackhammering, we really didn't know they were there. For the most part, they did everything great.